Hello everyone, and welcome. For decades, the pickup truck has been a symbol of utility, ruggedness, and freedom, a staple on job sites and weekend adventures. But what if the traditional pickup got a radical, futuristic makeover? Enter the 2025 Tesla Cybertruck pickup. It's not just another EV, it's a bold reimagining of what a truck can be, blending uncompromising toughness with cutting-edge technology. Today, we're taking a deep dive into the Cybertruck as a pickup truck, exploring its revolutionary design, its surprisingly functional interior, and what it truly feels like to put this electric beast to work. Get ready to see the future of the workhorse. 1. The exterior, built to conquer, the ultimate tool. The Cybertruck's exterior is its most striking feature, but every aspect is designed with the pickup's core purpose in mind: utility and durability. Ultra-hard stainless steel exoskeleton, this isn't just for show. The Cybertruck's ultra-hard 30x cold-rolled stainless steel body isn't just a skin, it's the structural backbone. Imagine a truck that resists dents, dings, and corrosion like no other, making it incredibly resilient to the wear and tear of a tough workday or off-road adventure. It's truly built like armor. The Vault bed, secure and versatile, the 6-foot bed, cleverly named the Vault, is a game-changer for pickup utility. It's entirely lockable, featuring an integrated, powered tonneau cover that seamlessly retracts into the rear of the truck. This means your tools, gear, or cargo are always secure and protected from the elements. Integrated ramp and power outlets, the Cybertruck takes functionality further with an optional pull-out ramp, making it easy to load ATVs, motorcycles, or even the Cyberquad, Tesla's companion ATV. Plus, the bed features 120 volts and 240 volts power outlets, turning your truck into a mobile power station for tools or camping gear, eliminating the need for noisy generators. Commanding presence, its angular, monolithic design, while controversial, ensures maximum presence. It stands out in any landscape, whether on a construction site or a rugged trail, signaling a new era for pickup trucks. The Cybertruck's exterior is less about aesthetics and more about extreme durability and groundbreaking utility features. 2. The interior, practical futurism, your mobile command center. Step inside, and while the design is minimalist, every element considers the demands of a modern pickup user. Spacious and durable cabin, the interior is remarkably airy and spacious, designed to comfortably seat 5 adults and their gear. The materials used are often rugged and easy to clean, anticipating muddy boots or tools. Centralized control, 18.5-inch touchscreen, almost all vehicle functions, from navigation to climate to monitoring towing, are managed through the massive central touchscreen. This reduces clutter and puts all necessary information at your fingertips, crucial when multitasking. Yoke, steering wheel. While unique, the yoke wheel provides an unobstructed view of the road and the large central screen, allowing quick glances at maps or vehicle data without obstruction. It promotes a modern, almost cockpit-like driving experience. Ample storage. Beyond the visible space, clever storage solutions are integrated throughout the cabin, designed to hold work essentials, personal items, and keep the space organized. The Cybertruck's interior prioritizes digital interaction and robust practicality, creating a modern, functional workspace on wheels. 3. The drive, unmatched power and capability, performance meets utility. This is where the Cybertruck truly shines as a pickup, offering performance figures that challenge even the most powerful traditional trucks. Mind-blowing acceleration, depending on the trim, rear-wheel drive, all-wheel drive, or Cyberbeast, the Cybertruck can go from 0 to 60 miles per hour in as little as 2.6 seconds, Cyberbeast. This kind of power isn't just for show. It's essential for quick merges, confident overtakes, and feeling utterly in command, even when hauling. Exceptional towing and payload, the Cybertruck boasts impressive towing capabilities, rated at up to 11,000 pounds, approximately 5,000 kilograms, and a payload capacity of 2,500 pounds, approximately 1,134 kilograms. The instant torque of electric motors makes towing smooth and effortless, even uphill. Adaptive air suspension, this is a game changer for a pickup. The adaptive air suspension allows for up to 17 inches of ground clearance, crucial for serious off-roading. More importantly, it can automatically level the truck when towing heavy loads or lower it for easy loading and unloading, making it incredibly versatile. 4-wheel steering. This feature drastically improves maneuverability for such a large vehicle. It allows for a tighter turning radius, making it easier to navigate crowded job sites or tight trails, a huge advantage for a pickup. Off-road prowess. With its high ground clearance, powerful electric motors delivering torque to all wheels, and advanced traction control, the Cybertruck is engineered to tackle challenging off-road conditions with confidence. The Cybertruck delivers a driving experience that combines the raw power of an electric vehicle with the robust capabilities expected of a serious pickup truck. 4. Smart utility. Tech that works for you. Beyond the core features, the Cybertruck leverages Tesla's ecosystem to enhance its utility. Over-the-air, OTA, updates, the truck will continuously improve. New features, performance tweaks, and bug fixes are delivered wirelessly, meaning your Cybertruck gets better over time without visiting a service center. Autopilot and full self-driving, FSD, for long hauls or highway driving, advanced driver assistance features reduce fatigue and enhance safety, allowing you to focus on the task at hand. Integrated app control. Manage charging, precondition the cabin, monitor energy usage, or even check the vault status directly from your smartphone, making remote management of your truck incredibly easy. The Cybertruck is a smart pickup, leveraging connectivity and software to simplify ownership and enhance functionality. Conclusion. The 2025 Tesla Cybertruck pickup is not just an electric vehicle, it's Tesla's bold statement on the future of the pickup truck. Its radical stainless steel exoskeleton speaks to unprecedented durability, while its vault bed with integrated features like power outlets and a ramp redefines utility. Behind the wheel, it offers astonishing performance, impressive towing capability, and advanced air suspension that make it equally at home on the highway or a rugged job site. Love it or question it, the Cybertruck is here to challenge our perceptions and drive the pickup market into an exciting, electric future. Outro. What's your biggest takeaway from the 2025 Tesla Cybertruck pickup? Do you think its unique design and features will change the pickup truck market forever? Share your thoughts and questions in the comments below. Don't forget to hit that like button, share this video with anyone fascinated by cutting-edge vehicles, and subscribe to our channel for more deep dives into the future of transportation.
Thanks for watching.